If you are pregnant and want to have a healthy, strong, and intelligent baby, be sure to include the following foods in your daily diet from the fourth month to the end of pregnancy. Especially if you are weak and do not have a strong body, following these tips will help you a lot. Number 1. Dates are the best complementary food for you and your baby. Eat 3 dates a day during pregnancy. The sugars in dates are broken down in the body without significantly increasing the blood sugar level and provide the energy needed by the body. Dates make both you and the baby strong so that you will be surprised when it's born. Number 2. Eat 14 almonds a day. But you should consider these points when using almonds. Do not eat the shelled almond kernels. If almonds were supposed to be skinless, like some other fruits and nuts, it would have been done this way from the beginning. So there is a reason for almonds to have a closed skin. Peeled almonds have lost most of their benefits over time. In fact, almond skin is a protection for its edible core. So it's better to buy almonds with the skin and break the skin yourself and consume it after a short period of time. To get the maximum benefits of almonds, you should chew them well before swallowing, so that they are completely mixed with your saliva. If you have trouble chewing almonds, mix 14 almonds with a glass of water and a tablespoon of honey in a blender, and eat this mixture. Do not forget to consume almonds even after giving birth and during breastfeeding. Number 3. Smelling the natural fragrances of damask rose before going to sleep. It means natural perfume and not chemical perfumes and essences. Number 4. Eat 7 figs every night. If fresh figs are not available, you can eat dried figs. Eat figs so that both you and your baby have strong bones, high quality blood, a strong heart and brain. Number 5. Eat 7 olives in the morning, and it's better to change the oil you use to olive oil. By eating olives, you will help your baby's future in terms of height, weight, and behavioral reactions. Mothers who consumed olives during pregnancy had healthier and more beautiful children. Broth cooked with sheep meat is the best food for you and your baby. It's better to use olive oil or sheep tail oil, and be sure to use chickpeas in cooking it. This broth is delicate, quick digesting food, full of benefits, and very nutritious for both the mother and the fetus. If it's eaten with whole grain wheat bread, that's great. If the video is useful for you, please support me by liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you. Did you know that you can turn the food you eat into a useful medicine for your body? You can watch this video to learn more about it.